Is US immigration becoming easier or harder in 2025? This is one of the most common questions asked by immigrants, students, and workers around the world. In this video, we will explain the reality in a simple and honest way. There is a lot of confusion on social media. Some people say immigration is completely closed, while others claim it is becoming very easy. The truth is somewhere in between. This video is for educational purposes only. Our goal is to help you understand how US immigration is changing and what these changes realistically mean for different people. The honest answer is that US immigration is not simply becoming easier or harder. Instead, it is becoming more structured, more digital, and more rule-based. The US government wants people to follow legal pathways and proper procedures. Those who plan carefully, submit correct applications, and follow the rules have better chances today than people who rely on shortcuts or rumors. So instead of asking whether immigration is easy or hard, the better question is whether it is organized and lawful. And the answer to that is yes. Let us first talk about border and asylum policies. In recent years, the United States has focused strongly on border enforcement while also trying to manage asylum cases more efficiently. New systems have been introduced to process asylum applications faster. This reduces long waiting times, but it also means that cases are reviewed more strictly. Asylum is not closed. However, people are expected to apply through official legal systems. Those who do not follow proper procedures may face quicker removal decisions. Now let us talk about legal immigration. Legal pathways remain open and important, especially for skilled workers, students, and families. Employment-based visas such as H-1B, L-1, O-1, and employment-based green cards continue to exist. The government is also trying to reduce long backlogs by improving digital processing systems. While delays still happen, some categories are now moving faster than before. This shows that legal immigration is not stopping, but it requires patience and correct documentation. International students continue to play an important role in the US education system. Student visas are still being issued, especially for fields like science, technology, engineering, healthcare, and medicine. Optional practical training, known as OPT, remains available for eligible students. This allows graduates to gain work experience after completing their studies. However, students must strictly follow visa rules. Unauthorized work or overstaying a visa can seriously harm future immigration opportunities. Family-based immigration continues to be a key part of US immigration law. Immediate relatives of US citizens, such as spouses, parents, and unmarried children under 21, receive priority. At the same time, preference-based family categories face long waiting times due to high demand. Applicants should regularly check official visa bulletin updates to understand their priority date. Keeping documents accurate and updated is extremely important to avoid delays or denials. Another common fear is immigration enforcement. US enforcement mainly focuses on individuals with serious criminal records or repeated immigration violations. People who follow the law, attend hearings, and respond to official notices are generally in a stronger position. Ignoring notices or missing appointments can lead to serious consequences. Following the rules does not guarantee approval, but it does reduce unnecessary risks. One of the biggest problems today is misinformation. Social media often spreads incomplete or misleading immigration news. Headlines may sound shocking, but real policy details are usually more balanced. Always verify information through official government websites or trusted legal sources. Be careful of anyone who promises guaranteed visas or fast approvals. There are no guarantees in immigration. Every case is reviewed individually. If you are planning any immigration process, preparation is key. Keep copies of all important documents and track deadlines carefully. Always update your address with immigration authorities if you move. This is a legal requirement. If your situation is complex, consulting a qualified immigration professional can help you avoid costly mistakes and delays. So, is US immigration getting easier or harder in 2025? The reality is that it is becoming more structured and rule-based. Legal pathways remain open for those who plan carefully, follow the rules, and rely on verified information. Shortcuts and rumors often lead to rejection or long-term problems. Stay informed, be patient, and always use official sources. Understanding the system is the first step toward making better immigration decisions. Thank you for watching.